In this video, I'm just going to try to explain what KoColor is doing. So here we launch the app, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to show that the app can get real-time weather. And you're like, why does a fashion app need to know the weather? Here we're actually showing that this app can set reminders for sunscreen. So it reminds you to put on the sunscreen, and it shows you the UV index. And so it's a fashion app, but the fashion app needs to know the weather so it knows how to clothe you. And we're also getting all of your fitness data. So you can see I didn't sleep a lot last night. It's going to use that information when it does makeup. And here you can keep track of your hydration. So this fashion app keeps track of the weather and your biomarkers, how well you feel, how well you're hydrated. It's going to use all that information when it generates your cosmetics. It even keeps track of your rituals. So here we have very detailed biochemistry about the perfect ritual for when you wake up. And this also helps because if you have healthy skin, your makeup is going to look that much better. And so we keep track of your morning routines, and you can actually take pictures and take notes of your morning routine. We also do your diet. So here we're showing you some really good uh, recipes, and you can even see how to make those. And so this all is deep in biochemistry and helps you stay healthy. And then we have your evening ritual that helps hydrate and protect your skin as you sleep. So again, this is all based in deep biochemistry, many years of research. So we keep track of your morning routine, your meals, and your evening routine to help you be as healthy as possible. Now we need to know what kind of cosmetics you have, and see we have nothing in our inventory, but we make it very easy for you to add a lot to the inventory. Again, we have nothing in our wardrobe, we have nothing in our inventory, but with a couple simple clicks, we can populate the whole thing. So when you go to Discover Cosmetics, we have 227 items that you can go ahead and add to your inventory. You probably have things that are very similar to this. So you can look for lips, complexion, dimensions, and you'll see detailed information about each of the items. You can go ahead and select them. If you click, you can get more information about them. You can get scientific overview, user notes, expert notes, formulation. We give you deep analysis on every single item in our inventory. This helps you know that you're getting the highest quality items. And if you have an item that's close to what you see in our inventory, you can just go ahead and select it, because then the AI agent can start using it to make predictions. We have a full inventory. There, almost anything you're looking for, you're going to be able to find it. If you have something in your cosmetic drawer and you want to put it into the inventory, you can just search for that and we'll have something close to it. So for this example, what we're going to do is just we're going to select the entire inventory, and we're going to put it into our system so that the AI fashion agent can make recommendations on it. So here you can see we're selecting various things, but the easiest thing to do is just to go to the overall download collection, click select all, and then import selected. So here we're just showing more detailed information about all of the items we have in our catalog. Again, we have 227 items in the catalog, and so pretty much anything you're looking for, you're going to be able to find it. The same thing is true for our fashion. We have tops, bottoms, dresses, outerwear, accessories. Almost anything you have in your wardrobe, you're going to find something like that in our inventory system. So just go ahead and look around in the inventory system, look around in the cosmetics, and add the things you have or things that you will likely get. So here we're going to select, and we're going to import 173 items here. So notice we're going to go select all. We're going to click that, and then we're going to select all, and then we're going to import 173 items. So now they're all imported, and they're going to take a little time to load up. So we can actually see them better in the previous screen. Okay, now they were loaded. We can actually see all the different colors we have. By just clicking on a color, we can actually go to that product. And what's really nice about this is if you look at the colors and they're all red or they're all green or all brown, then you know you don't have a very good color spectrum. Here, we have a very full color spectrum. We have almost all the colors of the entire rainbow in our inventory, which makes it really good for us when we're trying to come up with the right cosmetics to wear. And again, by just clicking on a color in the color spectrum, you could actually see what products you have of that color. So I really love this green. Click on the green, and I can immediately see what items I have of that color. So I can use the color spectrum to look at my different products. And then I can also look at my inventory. I can also look at my what's about to expire. I can search for it through these various different filters I have. I can click on any of these and I'll get deep analysis of the item. We actually go out to like 20 different online resources and we download all the information we can find about that item. So now we have 4,000 in our cosmetic inventory, and we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to select all of our clothing, and again, we have the color map. You can just click on it and see the items. Here's all the items that we have. So now we have a full cosmetic inventory and we have a full wardrobe inventory. Now we're going to ask the AI agent to be our fashion advisor. So we're just kind of looking around the wardrobe right now. And we added all that. So we have $10,000 worth of inventory now between our wardrobe and our cosmetics. And we can go to the first thing we're going to do is we're going to give our picture. Here, the local AI system will now look at our eye color, look at our skin color, and tell us that what map. This helps. So here, the yellow line is showing the hair. We see it found the eye and the cheeks. And here's the deep analysis of how the AI system came up that we're a warm autumn. Now that it knows we're a warm autumn, when it looks at our cosmetics and it looks at our wardrobe, it knows exactly the right cosmetics and the wardrobe to put together. Here we see that the local AI used some optimized rotation to come up with our wardrobe. So here's our cosmetics that the AI fashionista put together for us. Again, this ran local, and it came up with some nice matching colors. So it can do an entire playlist for an entire week of clothing. And if someone watches you, they'll say, hey, you're color coordinated across all 7 days. And it uses a scoring algorithm. So it tries to always cycle in things that you have not worn or used. And we're going to do it again, but now we're going to go out to the AI client. So we're going to once again put in our picture, but this time we're going to talk to Gemini on the network. And you notice what we're doing is we're going to send it a very optimized list of all of our clothing. And it comes back with this long list explaining exactly why it chose the colors and the wardrobe it did. So you can get deep into what the AI fashionista thought about your wardrobe and your cosmetics, your calendar, the weather, how you're feeling. It used all that to come up with what it believed is the perfect wardrobe and cosmetics for the event you're going to. So this is just a quick overview of how the KoColor system works. I hope it makes sense, and I hope